If you've ever had way too many tabs open in Chrome and couldn't find the one you needed, this video is going to save you a ton of time. Today I'm showing you how to search all of your open Chrome tabs in just a few clicks. This is one of those small Chrome features that makes a huge difference, especially if you work, study, research, or keep multiple websites open at once. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use tab search to instantly jump to the right page without scrolling through every tab one by one. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. This can be on Windows, Mac, or even a Chromebook, as long as you're using the Chrome browser. Once Chrome is open, take a look at the top right area of the browser window right near your tabs. What you're looking for is the tab search icon. In most versions of Chrome, it looks like a small downward arrow, or sometimes a search style icon, depending on your browser version and layout. If you have a lot of tabs open, this icon is especially useful because it gives you a faster way to locate a specific tab instead of hunting for it manually across the tab bar. Go ahead and click the tab search icon. As soon as you do, Chrome will open a search box and show a list of all your currently open tabs. Now this is where the magic happens. In the search field, simply type what you're looking for. You can type the website name, part of the tab title, or even a keyword that appears in the page title. Chrome will instantly filter the results as you type, so you can narrow things down very quickly. For example, if you have a tab open for Gmail, YouTube, Google Docs, a blog post, or a shopping site, you can just type a word connected to that tab and Chrome will find it for you. This is especially helpful when your browser is cluttered and you've got dozens of tabs open across different tasks. Once you see the tab you want in the results list, just click it. Chrome will immediately switch to that tab and bring it to the front so you can keep working right where you left off. No extra searching, no scrolling through tabs, and no guessing. It's fast, simple, and incredibly useful for staying organized. If you want an even smoother workflow, get into the habit of using tab search whenever your browser starts to feel overloaded. It can save you time every single day and make it much easier to manage research, projects, and multitasking. So to recap, open Chrome, click the tab search icon in the top right corner, type in the website name or keyword, and then select the tab from the results. That's all there is to it. A super simple feature, but one that can seriously improve how you use Chrome. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials, tips, and browser tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.